What's the meaning of crisis? Crisis. Crisis.
Crisis. Crisis. The term crisis refers to a critical or decisive moment in a situation, often involving difficulty, uncertainty, and danger. It can also refer to a sudden and significant change, such as an economic crisis or a political crisis. The result of a crisis can vary depending on the specific context. In some cases, it may lead to positive outcomes, such as increased resilience or innovation. However, in other cases, it may result in negative consequences, such as loss of life, economic collapse, or social upheaval.